Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials so navigation works reliably. Open iGo, verify maps and voice packages are updated. This prevents missing roads. Enable GPS and choose offline maps if you lack data. Once done, set language, voice guidance, and units to match your driving. Next, enter your destination in the search bar or select a saved point. Pick fastest, shortest, or eco route. This first setup reduces surprises and gets you moving with a reliable route. Now refine how iGo guides you. Compare available routes and pick one based on time, distance, or toll avoidance. Choose fastest for speed, shortest to save distance. Adjust vehicle type and speed profiles so time estimates match reality. Turn on lane guidance and junction views to simplify complex exits. Add waypoints for stops or set a planned arrival time for ETA accuracy. Make sure avoid zones are configured to bypass restricted areas. These choices shape turn-by-turn behavior. Finish by following iGo turn-by-turn instructions and monitoring the map for recalculations. If you miss a turn, the app recalculates automatically. Comply and resume. If guidance is off, toggle the device GPS or restart the app and wait about 30 seconds for a fresh fix. If problems persist, clear cache or export navigation logs and reset route settings to defaults. This final step secures a complete journey and gives one reliable troubleshooting path when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.